Hello friends, if you are part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a beauty video for you guys. And I'm going to do this look mostly with a few of the products that I got, or actually all the products that I got in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. If you're new to IPSY, so it is a beauty subscription. I pay 25 bucks a month and I get 5 full-size products. And those are the products I'm going to show you guys today. And the value of those products are pretty high. I've had this subscription now for I think about 2 years and I really love it. So on this video, I'm gonna review and show you just a few of the products that I got. So if you're interested, keep on watching. All right, so first thing is first, IPSY did something a little different this month. And the first thing is that they changed their bag. So usually I would get a little bag like this, all right, for me to store some makeup. I have so many of these. But like I said, they decided to do something different and get this drawstring one. Pink one that says IPSY, and I actually really like it. I already have some of my stuff that I carry in my purse, so they're not like all over the place. I put them in one little bag, and that way I could just switch between purses. So I already have my personal stuff in here. I love that they did this. All right, so let's get to the first product, which I loved. This is the DERMEDICINE Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer, SPF 25, and it has sage leaf, grape stem cells, green tea, and vitamin E. And this product cost 60 bucks, 60. I believe this is the most expensive item in my bag that I got. But it is full size, because I told you that everything that I get, it is full size. It is 2 fluid ounces. And I love this, okay? I have another one that IPSY sent me that I've been using lately. It is from Murad. I showed it to you guys in my favorites video that I did, I think a couple of weeks ago. But this one is definitely weightless. That one is, it's not too greasy, but it does leave a little bit of residue on my face. This one does not at all, okay? So I really enjoyed this one. If it wasn't 60 bucks, I would repurchase it, but so when this is done, then I'll hop back into my Murad one. But this is the first one, and I loved it. Now I'm gonna show you how I applied it, and you're gonna see how it does have like a white cast, a little bit, just very minor when you first apply it, but once you blend it out with your fingers, it goes away. Again, it does not leave any greasy residue, so A+. All right, the next product is this brush over here, and it is stained, or it's dirty because I just used it to do my face. It is the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush, and this retails for $35, okay? So I used it on my face, and so far so good. For the first time, I loved it. It is super soft, all right, and it's big. I love big fluffy brushes because I'm able to cover my face, cover my face quickly, and also go into my under eye and set that as well. I use this to apply my setting powder today, okay? All right, next item actually was a duo, but this also counts as one, which is amazing. These are the, where are we? Okay, Beauty for Real Shadow Stick 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo in Midnight Marathon and Ever Stardust. No, Starstruck. So the first one is like a coppery color, and this one's more like a pearly pink. And these were okay. I put this on my eyes today. I'm gonna show you now how I applied them. What I do like is that when I swatched them on my hand, they actually dried pretty quickly. So they are a cream formula, but they did dry quickly, and that's good because if not, throughout the day, they can crease. So we'll see. We'll see how they last today. The color is subtle. I mean, you can tell I have something on my eyelids, but I don't know. I would prefer to have a little more pigment, a little more darker, a little more shimmer to it, I guess. They're kind of metallic, and I use the Starstruck in my inner corners and this coppery one all over my lid. So the retail price for these two together, $38, okay? All right, so next we have a mascara. I love trying mascaras. I love mascaras. But this is, let me see. This is the Ciate London Triple Shot Double X Mascara in black. Okay, so I tried it, and this also has a retail of $22. So I applied it. I applied like 4 coats because I really do like using a lot of mascara, and it was okay for the first time. It's better than I think your average mascara. It's not as good as my favorite, which is the Thrive mascara. And also it was brand new. A lot of mascaras, typically when you first use them, they tend to be a little more watery and not as thick, and you want them to be thick and a little bit of clumpy, so that it gives you that volume. So this one was a little watery. I did have to apply 4 coats, and it did somewhat, you know, gave me some voluminous lashes. I don't know if I would pay $22 for it. I'm just saying it. I have to use it a lot more to see. That's just my first impression, okay? But so far, so good. And then lastly, we have a lipstick. This is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in Day Slayer, which I'm wearing on my lips, and I actually really liked it. It's supposed to be Demi matte, and it still has not completely dried. I feel like it's a normal lipstick, honestly. The color is very like a pinky brown color, and it looks very natural, like a nude in my lips. The retail price for this is 20 bucks. And since this is like a nude color, I could see myself using this like every day, or for like an everyday look. I totaled up all those products, and the value of my bag was actually $175. And I paid only 25 bucks. So essentially each of these items only cost me $5. I love my IPSY bag. I look forward to it every month because I love makeup and skincare and brushes and everything in between. So for me, I love it. And I use makeup all the time. So for me, it's a plus. One last thing that I wanted to show you guys before you go. A few days ago, I went over a friend's house for lunch, and she was kind enough to give me this Eyelash Growth Serum, okay? You know who you are, Maria, thank you. So I wanted to share with you guys the recipe in case you guys wanted to try it. I haven't even opened it yet because I'm going to show the beautiful packaging just like she gave it to me. So I'm going to go ahead and share the recipe with you guys, and I'm also going to put the items below and the recipe below so you guys can check it out in case you want to do your own. So this includes half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, half a teaspoon of argan oil, half a tablespoon of almond oil, and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. And I've heard that castor oil can help you grow out your eyelashes or your eyebrows and such. I'm good with my eyelashes the way they are, so probably what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use it on my brows. I'm just dying to have thick and full brows. I don't, I fill them in, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my brows, and hopefully I'll let you guys know if it works. So like I said, I'll put the recipe below so you guys can check it out, okay? And also I think she told me that this bottle here, which is like a mascara bottle. How cute is this bottle? She said that you can get it at Amazon, right? So you can put them in your lashes or in your brows, in my case. And yeah, so I can't wait to try it out. Thank you, Maria. Alright guys, so that is about it. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video, Lord willing. Bye! Hello friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you guys take the time to watch these videos. I really appreciate it, so thank you very much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They are not long at all, I promise. So number one, I accept prayer requests. Me and my family have a list that we pray for every single day. So if you want us to add you and your prayer requests to our list, just go ahead and message me, either leave a comment below or contact me through any of the social media platforms that I have, and we will go ahead and add you to our prayer list. Number two, if you are on Instagram, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here, obviously, on YouTube. I post pictures of my kids, recipes, and such. So if you are on there, go ahead and follow me. And number three, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You can hit the subscription button below and the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. We have so much fun here in this channel. I share with you guys recipes, I do Bible studies, I do makeup reviews, I do vlogs, I do videos with my kids. So if you want to go ahead and join our family, like I said, go ahead and subscribe. Alright guys, that's about it. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!